Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a super simple and delicious homemade treat, ripe mango popper. This chewy, fruity snack is made with just a few simple ingredients. Whether you enjoy it as a snack or a fun dessert, this mango popper will surely bring back childhood memories and sweeten your day. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. First, I take 2 ripe mangoes. Make sure they are sweet and juicy. I peel off the skin and cut the mangoes into small pieces. The riper the mangoes, the better the flavor of the popper. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. It smells amazing already. The natural sweetness of ripe mangoes really shines through here. Once cut, I transfer the mango pieces into a blender. I blend until it becomes a smooth, lump-free puree. It usually takes less than 1 minute, but I make sure it's perfectly silky. I don't add any water because I want the mixture to be thick. I transfer this sweet mango mixture into a non-stick pan. Now add half cup of sugar into the mango puree, depending on how sweet the mangoes are. Then I add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. The corn flour helps bind the mixture and gives the final popper a nice chewy texture. I mix everything really well until the sugar is completely dissolved. I keep the flame very low because I don't want the mixture to burn. I mix continuously using a spatula. To avoid sticking, it takes about 5 minutes for mixture to thicken. As it cooks, it starts bubble slightly and becomes glossy. I keep mixing until it reaches a jam-like consistency. After the mango mixture is done cooking, I brush some oil in a plate and pour the mango mixture onto the plate. I try to make the surface smooth so it dries nicely later. The mixture is still hot, so I work carefully. I leave it at room temperature to cool down. No freeze needed. Just patience while it sets completely. I wait until the mango popper cools down completely. Once it fully set, I carefully peel it off the plate. You can make any shape you like. These mango poppers are sweet, chewy, and perfect as a homemade treat. It's one of my favorite summer recipes. So simple and so tasty. I stored them in an airtight container and keep them in fridge. Our delicious, chewy and fruity ripe mango popper is ready to enjoy. With just a few simple ingredients, you can turn ripe mangoes into a homemade treat that's full of flavor. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. So friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and share the recipe with your friends.